And the first thing that you will need is some wrapping paper, scissors, and then some tape.
One of the trickiest things about wrapping presents is to know what size piece of paper to cut. In order to do that, it's specific to the size of your box. One thing you can do is measure the short sides like this. Then you'll know you'll have enough for both sides, and I usually scoot it over just a little bit more for any chance of error. So there's at least the narrow width of the box plus maybe another inch. Then you want to see if you have enough paper lengthwise, and the way you do that is you start at one end and you flip your box to see if you can go all 4 sides. Even just, hardly any space left over, you have enough room. What you can do is make a little cut where you know you're supposed to cut, and then fold over your paper, line it up like you were folding a piece of paper at elementary school. Slide it along like that, and you'll have a perfectly straight line
for you to cut.
As you can see,
there's a little indentation.
Mm-hmm.
That will help
then there's
you
2 ways
stay on that line.
You can either do it cut by cut, or if your scissors are sharp enough, you can just slide it along. The next step is to line up your box where there's about equal paper on either side. You can use these guide lines to help you with that. And you're going to fold both sides, long sides, up and over. You want to make sure your paper is lined up on either side and nice and tight around the box. And put it right along there. Then you should have equal box and paper on both sides. You want to keep this equal here. You slide your box one way, usually towards yourself, but since you're watching, I'll do it this way. You're going to hold this side of the box down, and you're going to make a triangular crease on either side. Make a triangle, and then you pull in the other end, and make a triangle here, and a triangle here. And here you want to make sure that the paper isn't all bunched up. You want to try to get it nice and flat.
And here's your pieces of tape.
And just put some tape on the little corners and in the middle if you need. And then you have a well-wrapped package.
Yeah.